This is the KVA to Amperage Interactive Calculator, which converts apparent power to current and performs related electrical calculations. Let's look at the inputs. First, we have a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options: single-phase KVA to amps, 3-phase KVA to amps, single-phase amps to KVA, 3-phase amps to KVA, 3-phase with power factor correction, and 3-phase line-to-line versus line-to-neutral. For this demo, I'm using single-phase KVA to amps. Below that, you'll see input fields for apparent power in KVA, voltage in volts, current in amps, power factor ranging from 0.8 to 1.0, and line-to-neutral voltage in volts. For our example, let's enter values and click Calculate. The calculator processes your inputs and displays results in the output section. When using single-phase KVA to amps mode, the result current shows your calculated amperage based on the KVA and voltage you entered. The result system confirms your calculation mode. Additional outputs like result KVA, result real power, and voltage-related results appear depending on which calculation mode you've selected. This tool streamlines electrical system design and troubleshooting calculations. Find the link in the description below.